Analysts in Uganda that have been keeping tabs with the political developments in Kenya have hailed the Kenyan general election, arguing that the election process has proved that the East African country's democracy is coming of age.
Of paramount importance is that what we are seeing in Kenya, and I'm going to turn this into a mantra wherever I appear, is that what we are seeing in Kenya did not fall from the sky. They were deliberate, they were intentional, they were purposeful, insofar as deepening the democratization process is concerned. Sarah has alluded to the 2017 decision that gave the parameters that would govern the conduct of campaigns, conduct of the election day, and the conduct of tallying and the announcement of the winner.
This is despite the first runner-up in the presidential race, Raila Odinga, faulting the IEBC chairman, Wafula Chebukati, and declaring that the presidential results were null and void. Like in the 5 previous occasions, Raila has hinted on embarking on a legal battle at the Supreme Court.
So we see reforms, yes, not perfect, and of course for us in Uganda, lessons to learn. When we see a deliberate effort at a clean election, the media is allowed, social media is not clamped down, the internet continued, everything remained largely peaceful, save for that 1 week of announcing, where I think we now need to know what exactly went wrong.
The declaration of Dr. William Ruto as the 5th president of Kenya set in motion the transition process from President Uhuru Kenyatta's administration to a new government. However, in the event Raila goes to the Supreme Court within 7 days of the declaration of the results, then the transition process could be halted until the judgment is rendered.
If I'm going to make a case about the numbers and I'm challenging, my task as a petitioner is to try to put this winning margin in doubt or to erase it. If I'm going to say, look, I was cheated of 400,000 votes, maybe I may want to say there are 50,000 invalid votes, which I do not know how they arose. The invalid votes, this form 34A, which we are talking about, are the equivalent of what we call a DR form in Uganda. It has space for invalid votes.
Declaration of results form.
Yes. So that form is able to guide on how many invalid votes exist at each particular polling station. And those numbers can guide you to detect an anomaly and in tallying.
If Ruto's victory is upheld, then the swearing-in ceremony will be held exactly 14 days after the Supreme Court judgment. Dennis Ikoa and Juma Samba for UBC News.